Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Oreo truffles. For this recipe, you're going to need 3 ingredients: Oreos, cream cheese, and chocolate, preferably one that is microwavable. First, you're going to take about 5 to 6 Oreos at a time and blend them until it becomes a powder. You can add as many as you want depending on how many truffles you want, but for this recipe, I'll be using 14 Oreos, which makes about 18 truffles. Next, you're going to add half of the cream cheese stick, depending on how creamy you want it to be. After that, you're going to mix the 2 ingredients together, either with a spatula or with your hands. After you make it into a dough, cover the bowl with cling wrap and put it in the freezer for 40 minutes. After taking it out, mold them into balls. Then, put them into the fridge for 20 minutes. After you take them out, take 2 to 3 blocks of chocolate and melt them for 30 seconds. If it doesn't melt, add 15 seconds until it becomes fully melted, and make sure you don't burn it. Make sure you have the truffles ready after you melt the chocolate so you can coat them, because the chocolate dries very quickly. After you finish coating them, you are done. Great work!